Hey guys, I got some interesting beginner drones for the kids. Now usually I like flying bigger, better drones, but with this holiday season coming up, maybe you're thinking, I want to get my kid a drone. What's a good one? So we've got some interesting options for you. Alright, so let's talk about this one first. This is the Force One Scoot. Looks pretty interesting. It's got this flexible shell all around it. The drone is on the inside. What makes this unique is there is no remote control. I just have a bunch of sensors on this drone. You toss it up in the air and it waits for you to tell it where to go with your hands. Kids really had a fun time playing with this, telling it where to go, jumping up, trying to catch it, sending it different directions, but it's really kind of unique how it operates, where it'll kind of spin around until the sensor sends something, then it'll fly away. It also has a sensor on the bottom, so if you go under it, it'll go up. When it hits something, it stops, and it's pretty darn soft, so it's not going to do a whole lot of damage. That's kind of a neat feature. Yeah, so this is not a camera drone. It's not a fun, fancy drone. It's kind of neat to see one of these inexpensive drones have a different take on flying with these sensors. Something that's kind of unique and refreshing. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you check us out on halfchrome.com. Don't forget to click that subscribe button for more information.